Hello, kiddos and parents. Happy Monday morning. I am going to walk you through your virtual learning slides for May 4th through May 8th. The first slide is your group meet schedule. It has links to your office hours. It has links to your meets right under your group meet, and it has links to the office hours on other days when I'm meeting with both groups and office hours. Monday, I would say if you take a look at the slides and you have any questions, 11 to 12 is a really good time to pop in and check in with me. The second slide will tell you about which group you're in, and it will also give you a good reminder of what day you're meeting with me in case you forget. The third slide, we have your assignments for Monday through Friday. So you're going to see again Zern for 20 minutes and Extra Math or Dreambox. We have Season 2, Episode 1. These are the links for your new season to see what's going on with Mars and everybody. And then you have slides that correspond. So you're going to listen to Season 2, Episode 1, and then go to Slide 5 to give me some information from Season 2, Episode 1. Then some Moby Maxing, I have a new assignment for you that's put at the very top of the assignments. So make sure when you get into Moby Max, you go to the very top and look for the newest assignment. Okay. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, instead of Moby Max, we have Read to Self. If you have any questions, you can pop into office hours Monday through Thursday and chat with me. Your check marks are here. If you want to take them and move them over, you can certainly do that. Mrs. Brenner and I moved them to this page, so it was just that much easier for you to find them instead of toggling back and forth. Slide 4 is your Genius Hour plan. So last week we brainstormed our ideas for what we wanted to research. Now you're going to create your question. And a really good question has either what, how, what causes, why did, what if inside of the question. You don't want a yes or no question, a question that could be answered with just yes or no. So you're going to click inside of this box and create your question. I think it was Isabel that said, why do or what causes cats to purr? So she's using either one of these words inside of her question. That means it's a great question that you're going to be able to research and get lots of information for. Where will you research to answer this question? So you're going to give me an idea of the places you want to research. This will help me then look up those sites and make sure they're valid information. I want you to make sure that you're checking for 3 different sites to make sure the information you found at one site is actually valid. On the next slide, here's the rule of 3. If you find 3 sources that state the similar information, then that information is valid. This rule of 3 is going to take you a long way in research from 3rd grade all the way on. You're going to need to have at least a few sources that agree to really ensure that the information is correct. Okay, so here it says, find at least 3 resources. Please be sure to do that. And then cite every resource. That means you have to give the credit where the credit is due. So if you went on YouTube and found a video, please write the name of the YouTube video. You could even put the link in here so that I could go to it and make sure it's a valid video. So you have 2 boxes to not only tell me where you're finding your resources, but name your resources, or the author or your expert name can go here too. The next slide is your work log. So you're going to give me a date that you're working and what you got done today. Now, this is really important. So I had, I think, a friend in my green group ask me, but if I need more than this, Mrs. Brown, what you're going to do is go up to your toolbar, go up to slide, and if you click duplicate slide, you will get an exact copy of this slide. So I'm going to click duplicate. And you're going to notice that now I have 2 slides that say work log instead of 1 slide. Now, some of you may choose to put it all in one place, and that's okay too, but I've just shown you a really great way to duplicate a slide. Now, here's the thing. If you've typed something and then you duplicate, guess what you're going to duplicate with it? All of your resources. So if you know going into this that you want to duplicate something, a blank slide, you're going to duplicate that slide under slide and duplicate before you start typing. Otherwise, it's not a big deal. If you make a second set of slides or a copy, then you're going to have to delete what you have in your original slide. But this option of duplicating a slide will make more than one of the same slide. You can also do that for research norms. If you know that you're going to have a few more sources in this, again, go up to slide, duplicate the slide. That means it's making an exact copy of the slide that's highlighted. Now be sure the slide that you want to duplicate is the one that's highlighted. See this orange here? That's going to tell you that you are focused on that slide, and that will let you duplicate that slide. If I move down, that orange indicates that you're going to duplicate that slide if you choose. The following slides from 7 all the way through 11 are in regards to Mars Patel. So this is episode 1 for Mars Patel, where you're going to give me some information. This is episode 2, so season 2, episode 2, where you're going to give me some information. And wherever it says type here, you're going to click in there and make sure you go into that box. If for some reason you accidentally delete a text box, don't forget you can add one back in where this text box emblem is. You can also go to File and Version History, and you can see the version history. Let's say you made a mistake and you deleted the whole slide. This will take you to where we made changes, and it will let you hop to, okay, maybe on May 2nd I had, or May 1st I had the correct slides, and then I deleted it on May 3rd. If you click on May 4th, it will take you back to that original copy. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions. I am really excited about research. I will talk to you soon. Happy learning.